Get up here.
We're going down, way down to New Orleans. Got that bio rhythm.
All right, Dan.
Dan McLaughlin.
Dan McLaughlin on the bass guitar. Mercy.
Fire, flow, rivers that glow, plates move like the skull of a man. Mama talk, do you understand? Gonna stretch and shake. Mama, she gonna stretch and shake. Pele's gone and blown her top. No one knows when it's gonna stop. Locust horse gonna eat your crop. Spin you like a voodoo top. Mama gonna rock and roll. Shake it down from pole to pole. She don't mean no one no ill, but she gotta do just what she will. Whoa. Mama, you're gonna stretch and shake. Mama, you're gonna stretch and shake. Mama gonna stretch and shake. Mama gonna move and quake. Desert wind sweeping all the land. Sister twisters and hurricanes. We raped her ocean, land and sky. Nowhere to run, nowhere to fly. She gives us everything we need. You gotta say a prayer and plant the seed. Whoa. wheels are churning. Everywhere the world is burning. She can bring us all down to our knees. She can shake us off like a bunch of fleas. We beat her up till she's black and blue, but she don't entertain no fool. We made our bed, so here we lie. We gotta give it one more try. Whoa, Mama, she's gonna stretch and shake. Mama, she's gonna stretch and shake. Woo! Thank you.